Want to grow your YouTube channel fast? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the best strategies to gain subscribers, boost views, and make your content go viral. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a niche. If you're trying to appeal to everyone, you'll reach no one. Find a specific topic you're passionate about, whether it's tech, beauty, gaming, or business, and own it. Your content has to be engaging and valuable. Invest in good lighting, clear audio, and an eye-catching thumbnail. People click on what looks good, so make it count. Your title and thumbnail are the first things people see. Make them intriguing, clickable, and curiosity-driven. Avoid clickbait, but make sure people can't resist clicking. The first 10 seconds of your video are crucial. Start with a hook, ask a question, show a crazy fact, or get straight to the point. Keep them watching. YouTube rewards consistency. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, just stay consistent. Shorts are blowing up on YouTube right now. Use them to attract new viewers and bring them to your long-form content. Plus, jump on trends to increase visibility. Reply to comments, ask questions, and create polls. The more engagement you get, the more YouTube will push your content. Check your analytics, see what works, what doesn't, and double down on what's performing well. Learn from your data. Now that you know how to grow on YouTube fast, it's time to take action. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your biggest YouTube goal. See you in the next video.